Hello, diamond painters. I have another unbagging. You know, this is a 60 by 45 that came in. And these things, anything over 30 by 40, they claim is supposed to come in a bag. I mean, a box, sorry, a box. And they lie. You know, they say you're going to get it in a box and you don't. And I know a lot of people make comments on other people's YouTube things like, oh, well, you know, if you ordered it this big, it should have came in a box. Yeah, but the stores lie and they don't send them. They send them in a bubble boot. Exactly what I got going on here. So, Aliexpress, the Yi Drill Handmade Store. It's a full round, 45 by 60. The price was $15.65, but I had a $2 off coupon, so it was $13.65. Don't mind my daughter in the background. I ordered it on May 17th. It shipped out on May 18th, and I got it on June 5th. It did hang out in Stamford, Connecticut for a little bit. Not sure why. How many colors? I don't know yet. But we'll write that down after. I'm just trying to move along here because my oldest one will be home in 45 minutes. So she doesn't know I really do this. But she'll probably find out this summer and then probably torture me. So let's get into it. This is one I ordered. And I'm going to do it for my husband. And this is, I think, the first one I bought that I had him in mind. And it is Superman. They had a lot of different Supermans to choose from. And my husband, I made him pick it out because if he's going to want to hang it up in his man cave, I want to make sure he picks out what he wants. Stupid bubble boot. All right. And you see, it's all crinkly. So we're going to undo this hair. Crinkly. So we have the metal tweezers, bent tip, the Hurricane pen with like a 6-placer, no squishy, a thing of wax, and just a 6-placer and a white tray. I don't see a 3-placer anywhere. Could be underneath the wax, but I don't see it. So that's the toolkit it comes with. And this is the picture. Superman through the air. And it's 60 by 45. It's supposed to come in a box. Liars. It's a single canvas cover. These pickup trucks that drive by here are so loud for no reason. And you know these guys ain't doing nothing with these pickup trucks but driving around being loud. I'm sorry. I had to say it. If they drove around with stuff in the back of them, I would say, yeah, okay. But no. Look how small that key is. Are you kidding me? Jeez Louise. These people are going to make me have to get glasses. They keep this up. Hurting my eyes just seeing the key. So I have a problem. I might have a crease, really bad crease in there. You can see it's all the way in the back too. Crease. Let's get this cover off so we can get everything settled. I'm sitting on the floor like behind the camera so I can see what you guys are seeing. But I like that it's a single cover because I have terrible history with the covers that have sections cut into it. So I already see I got rivers over here. It's supposed to come in a box. They say it's gonna be in a box. A lot of these companies, and they lie. But I think it's not gonna be too bad. I could probably just put a little slit in it and then put the tape back down on it. The sticky. They just have little air bubbles. And it doesn't help that it's getting hot outside. So I think that does something in transit with these things being wrapped up the way they are. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to get this off as much as I can. That tapping, that's sticky. And without me trying to get in the shop. Don't mind me. I just don't want to take the cover off all the way because I won't get it back on, but there. Yeah. Get my finger off. Yeah. I could probably rub that out. But, so, I don't know if you can see it. There might be a little bit of a glare. There we go. Superman. That is what my husband is. He's my Superman. So let's take a look at the drill field. Nice and clear. We got some weird symbols. Hearts. Some arrows. Branches, they look like. I don't know what to call them. Bright J. The word moon. I already see moon in there. But yeah, the drill field is clear. I'm just gonna have to, like I said, rub out some of these rivers, like right here. This is air. This is a river of air. I'll have to slit that open maybe. But I like that you have, sorry, hit the tripod, Superman, and you got the moon in the back and the blue around it. That's pretty awesome. All right, I'm gonna do a quick inventory. And then, I like the cape. You see the cape in the back? I just noticed that. I like the cape. That's pretty. I'm going to do a quick inventory and then I'll let you guys know how it went. Okay, hold on. All right, everything is here. All the colors are accounted for. I took you guys off the tripod. So all together, there is 47 colors. Yes, 47. And if I sound like I was hesitating to talk, can you see that thing moving by the window? That is the cover to our grill, and I keep thinking it's someone trying to look into the house. It's really creepy. See it? So, yeah, they were packaged nice. Everything is here. Of course, I think the most I have is 3 10s, 25 bags. But I expected dark colors. Of course, there's a lot of different blues. But I am happy because everything's here. The only thing I don't like about their package is... can you see the number? Can you? Can you see the number? Can you? Can you? Can you? Can you? No. You can't because they're all in black ink. So when you have a bag like this, you have to really look. Like if you're looking head on like that, you don't see it. But when you put it in the light, you see the 823. So that's the only thing I didn't like. But yeah, see? It's a 934s. You have to like really look at it well. But there's a lot of nice colors and different variations of blues for the night sky, which is awesome. And I had a little bit of baggies that came in with the drills. I wanted to mention that real quick. So you got different blues, some purples. I measured the canvas. It is a little shy of 60, but it is 45. And then probably by like 59. It's a little shy. Not a big deal though. But I'm happy with it. And it is a round canvas. I want to make sure after my Evershine fiasco. Evershine told me, they got back to me in less than 24 hours. And they told me to do the diamond painting with the drills I have so far. Because they want to make sure that I'm not sure on any of the ones that I say I have enough of. Even though the bags are marked by hundreds more than I'm supposed to have, they want me to make sure everything is there. So they said do the diamond painting with the drills you have first, and then message us with a picture of what you got done so far with all the drills you have, with a list of diamonds you will need. Sorry. So that is what my dilemma is so far with them. So I'm working on this one. Today's date is June 5th, which you will not see this video for probably a couple weeks. But I wanted to just give an update. Today's June 5th, so I wanted to hurry up and I started that diamond painting today. Sorry, my allergies. So, yeah. That's all I have to say for that one. So sorry. But that was it. I'm going to keep coughing, so I'm going to go. Have a good day. And keep diamond painting and having fun. And I'm glad this one came out good. I have so far, from the counts, enough drills. It's a little crinkly. I wish it came in a box. But after I flattened it a little bit, pulling up the canvas cover seemed to be looking better. So, yeah, that was it. Have a good day. Bye.